Guys, we were buying this on Friday, pound USD, and guys, we've hit both of the targets of Friday, guys. The question remains, guys, what are we going to do next? And guys, the answer is quite simple. Guys, as long as the price stays above 1.32159, guys, we are bullish. But we could start buying from 1.3 to 472. But let's look at MTF on the daily chart, guys. We are bearish, but we are at the support area and we are getting some bounce from that. On the 4H, guys, we are bullish. No doubt, guys, we are bullish. And we have this resistance area. We've broken above that. That could easily become support. No doubt, guys. If you look at the 1H, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, guys, I have my analysis, but let me mark these levels. Let's check out what the AI has done. Okay, the AI changed a bit settings. I told you it was in in development, guys. I actually developed the AI for the Play Store, guys. I had to do the app and everything, Google approval, etc., etc., everything myself. So it took a lot of time and it was a bit hard. So, anyways, we are there. Conditionally bullish, the bias remains bullish as long as price holds above the key pivot zone, but with the strong awareness, this is a counter trend move against the full structure. Okay, guys, thank you. AI, Mr. AI, and its entry zone is 1.32450, 1.32520. Okay, guys, the price is critical decision. Hold of the pivot area. Suppose a continuation of the 1H bullish structure. A break below the pivot will signal resumption of the 4H bearish trend. The setup is a continuation play after the current day, April 7, based on the strong bullish impulse that occurred during the previous day's high volume session. The trade is set on 1H bullish structure running with the dominant daily bullish trend against intermediate 4H bearish correction. Okay, whatever you say. So let's paste these levels right here. Okay, guys. So my analysis, guys, I would expect a correction down to 1.32472, and guys, a move back up. And my bullish target, guys, first one would be 1.32860, and we could go low if we break below 1.32472. But guys, we would still be bullish. Okay, guys, and my second target, guys, would be 1.33193. Let's see what the AI has to say about that, guys. Okay, the AI was buying as long as the price stays above 1.32450. And okay, I agree with that. It's using this support, this resistance area and as anticipated support. If it holds, it's bullish, and if it breaks, its counter bias target is 1.32150. 1.32150. Okay, totally same as mine. And its bullish targets are 1.32920. Okay, almost same as mine. And the second one is 1.3340, which is a bit higher than my second target, which is the swing high. I could agree with that, no doubt. Guys, we truly become bearish and bearish. Guys, if the this is my scenario, I wouldn't opt for a bearish scenario. Actually, I am selling for a correction, so that is a bearish move, but for an overall bullish trend. So take care, guys. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.